Hey, this is Sharlene from Sharlene's World. Let's go! Let's go! Welcome to Sharlene's World. Hey, Sharlene's World. Sharlene's World. I love Sharlene's World because you can do whatever you like when you hear my voice. It's time to welcome you back to Sharlene's World. Welcome you back to Sharlene's World. Welcome you back to Sharlene's World to enjoy some time and fun. We welcome you back to Sharlene's World. Welcome you back to Sharlene's World. Welcome you back to Sharlene's World to enjoy some time and fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, Sharlene, and welcome back to Sharlene's World. So hey guys, you're probably wondering why I have all these LOLs in front of me. Well, it's because I'm doing a very honest review on these LOLs. So the first one I have is the LOL Fashion Crush. It's just regular accessories. It comes with 3 surprises: your magnifying glass, your outfit, and some shoes. Next, I have the LOL Surprise Littles. It's a makeover series. So you can either get an LOL Baby or LOL Pet. I also have the LOL Winter Disco series. It comes with 5 surprises, and this is the Little Sisters one. It has your mystery clue, stickers, shoes, a bag, and you can get the pet or the doll. I also have an LOL Furry Pets. Comes with 7 surprises. It comes with an accessory, your mystery clue, your water bottle, your pet scooper, another accessory, an outfit, and the pet itself. So let's get to it. The first one I'm going to be doing is a fashion crush. So it has this little thing at the bottom, so I'm going to take it off to see what it is. And it has a very thin layer of tape. I can barely see, so I will just rip it off. Okay, I got it off. So it says no children under 3 years old can use this, and it says it has gel inside of it. So I might be needing a paper towel. So let's see what else important information it has. Okay, so that's about all the important information. So I'm going to put this to the side. And let's actually get into opening this fashion crush. So I'm going to do it by the zipper. Oh, it was almost a clean rip, but it wasn't. So let me get it open. This is so hard. Okay, I did it. I opened it. So now let's remove the first layer. Comes with some instructions and a checklist. So I will remove this garbage to the side. So let's see. It's my checklist, but I will be saving this for last. So now to the next layer. And I see my magnifying glass, but first I have to take this layer off. Okay. Here is my magnifying glass. So let's see what it says. It has A's and hats on it. And it has nothing on the container itself. So let's move it. So let's see. Let's open it from right here. It has a little thing. Okay, I got it. Are you ready? I got it. And it's pink gel. So I will be squeezing this out. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I'm so excited. I never opened a fashion crush before, so. It's stuck because this piece. Well, I'll just like flip it over and stop. Oh, it's coming! Oh, I see all of my clothes. So let's just crush it. Whoa. It's so sticky and wet. And all of my clothes is jelly. It's like gel. So I have some bottoms. Ooh. And a top. I like this topping. And I have one shoe, but I don't know what the other one is. Let's see. Ooh, I found it, but it has gel in it. Okay, I got my shoe. So, now I don't know what I'm going to do with this gel, but for right now I'm just going to put it back in this container. Okay. So this is not useful right now, but this is. We might use this for my LOL dolls that I get in my next ball. So let's get a close-up of these pants with the shirt. So cute. It's like a little heart, and then it has a pink top. Ah! So here's a close-up of the pants and shirt. It's so cute because it's like a pink top with hearts, and then it has the bottoms with hearts, and then it has the liner that's from the pink shirts, and it's so cute. So now I'm gonna give you a close-up of these shoes. So here they are. The shoes are so nice. They are bunny shoes with the pink like base and stuff. So cute, right? I like it. Do you guys like it? Comment down below. So now I'm going to be doing the LOL's makeover series. So let's start. First, I'm going to peel the first layer. And in this, there is 5 surprises. And it's not a clean rip. Uh-oh. I don't like when this happens. Okay, I got it. But it's not clean. Okay. I'm getting it. The first layer away. And this one also has a mysterious thing at the bottom. And I found my surprise. Okay. So, my secret message is stretch or stop. So, let's go on to the second layer. So, the second zip. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, I see it. I'm getting it. I see a part of my capsule. Why is all the capsules I'm getting today are pink? Okay. So did I get anything in my next layer? So I'm on my third layer. Let's peel it. It was a clean cut! On this layer, I get nothing again. But now, it's the capsule of surprises. So let's open it. It's like a little curler. Oh, okay, I'm getting it. Here's like a curler part. So now I'm gonna crack it open. Ooh, it comes with this like magnifying glass. It's so glittery and blurry a little bit. And now it comes with a whole bunch of instructions, which I will not be using right now. So an accessory. It comes with a checklist. It comes with a long checklist. So now I have this, which I think is my thing. And I have this. So first I'm gonna open this, which I don't know what it is. I got a baby doll! So this must be my bag. Or my shoes, I don't know. Oh, it's two. So this one is my bag and this one is my shoes. Okay. Oh my gosh! It's like a mini book bag for the baby. So, I love this. But now it's time to open the shoes. I want to see what shoes I'm going to get. This is a long bag for only two tiny shoes. Ah, it's not shoes. It's some sunglasses. Oh my goodness, these are so tiny. So let's put the garbages away. And now let's get my baby and its stuff. So first I will put on its glasses. Well, I don't think they'll be able to fit. And I don't think they'll be able to stay. Ah! This is... Ooh! Look at her. She has on her pretty glasses. She's like, oh, I'm going to a party. So I'll put her in her bag. Uh-oh, her glasses are making her stuck. Well, she's in her bag. Now let's take this and like check around her bag to see if there's any. Ooh, there is nothing. So I'm gonna put her thing in her bag and I will set her to the side. But after I set it to the side, I will see who I got. So now I see her already. But I won't tell you guys yet. As yet. So I got from the Glee Club, Lil Punk Girl. And at the back there's like a little picture. So on Lil Punk Girl, it's a blue circle. That means she's popular. So now, so I will put her away. Back how I had her. Put her here. Have her accessory in there and this. And then I'll put her in her capsule. And I'll close it up. Oh, and I almost forgot her other two things. So this and her checklist. Oh, it can't fit. I'll put it on the outside. Okay, much better. So I will put this, like, fix it properly, because I didn't have it properly. And if you guys are wondering why I'm not giving you the reviews right now, it's because I'm going to do that at the very end of the video. So I have her back on her curler. And now I'll put her to the side. So, now I'm super excited because I'm opening the winter disco set. So, let's start. So this one you can get 5 surprises also. So, let's peel it. It wasn't a clean one though, this time, like it was the last time. Okay, let me try to peel it from the bottom. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna rip it right now. Ooh. I think I don't know what colors are like. I think I got a clear one. Oh, I see my secret message already. This is fast. Okay. So, my secret message is building a snow BB. Building a snow BB. That stands for building a snow baby. So, now I'm going to go to the next layer, the second layer. I'm so excited. Okay. So, as you can see, I have it now. So you don't get nothing in the next layer, as always. So, Next, I'm gonna open my blue and clear ball. Oh, okay. This is. Oh, I got it. So now it's pretty packaged in a nice, pretty way. So let's open it. It's pretty wrapping paper. So as you can see, it comes with a stand, so you can attach this, and it will be able to stand up. So I want to see which little pet did I get. I mean, little doll did I get. So this is the accessory, as I can see it. So I'm gonna open it. So ooh. I got this dice hat. Cool, it's a checkered dice hat. Now I will open this, and I have a doll stand too. I'll open this. I got a fuzzy one! It's fuzzy and it's a pet. It's a fuzzy pet. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay, enough of that. I got the fuzzy pet. So now let's put it right here. I'm so happy I got the fuzzy pet. Let me see what shoes did I get from it. I got some black and white shoes. Black and white shoes. They're so cute. So let's put those to the side. And as you can see, I got some cute stickers. Maybe I can decorate the ball with those later. Okay. So it also comes with the checklist, like all of them. So you can get these. And oh, mine is not on there. Because it's fuzzy. So maybe I have to peel this fuzz off or something? Because I see something under it. Yes, I see something under it. So you guys, I'm going to put this in water because it says it color changes. So maybe if I put it in water, all this will come off. Because I see a tiny tail peeking through. So let's put it in some water. Oh, I see something coming through its eyes. There's something. Oh, okay. So it's just like this now. Oh, its head! I see the head! Well, I'm going to peel this off. Oh, it's peeling. I had this in the water for a while, so let's rub it off now. And as to the checklist, I feel like I have the monkey right now because it has a tail. And nothing else on the checklist has a tail. So I'll put that piece back in the water. Wait, I think I really have the monkey. I think I have the monkey. Yeah, I have the monkey. It's a monkey. So, it looks like I have the monkey right down here. Tough monkey. Right down here. So cute. So, now I will put this water to the side because it looks disgusting. And I will go on to decorating this globe. So on the back, it shows it right here. So I'm gonna follow the same thing as it is on the paper. So first it has a bow at the top. So I have this blue bow and I'll put it at the top. Okay, so it's on this side, okay. So it's the blue bow. No, I want to put it on this side. No, I'll put it on this side. I'll put it on this side. So it's the blue bow, and it goes at the top, so I'll put it right there. And now it's eyebrows, but I don't have eyebrows, so I'm just going to put these eyes, like these winking eyes. Down a little bit more. Oh, okay, right here. So winking eyes. A carrot nose. And last but not least, a smiley mouth. You guys, look at my globe. It's like so crazy and kooky, right? Well, I'll just put this head on. Okay, I put the head on successfully this time. Wow, I just now did it again. Okay, well, I will put the shoes on this monkey. Okay, it fits, it fits, it fits. Oh, it fits. So I'll put them in the stand. I'll dry the table before I get to the rest of this for this LOL. So, I open this. So let me dry my hands. Now I will take the LOL. Okay. And put him into his shoes. And it's a little hard to put it into his shoes because his legs are together and you have to pull his legs apart. And since the hat is too big for his head, I just tilt it so you can see everything. So now let's put this. Well, first I'm going to show you how to build the capsule and make it go actually together. So, oh, the shoes are stuck in the stand. Okay. So first you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So you take the stand. You can put it any way, backwards or forwards. I don't know which is which. But I put this stand, and there's a little hole right here. And there's a hole right here. I mean, like a silicone thing, and you put it through the hole so the stand can be there. And then you close this like that, and then there's a hole, like a circle at the bottom, and there's a circle here, and then you just attach this part where it says LOL, and you put it here where it's at the bottom, and then you close it. And then if you want to put the stand in it, you have this. So you have the shoes, right? You put it in the stand. Okay, they're in the stand. So let's put the monkey in the shoes. Okay, and then let's put the hat on. And there you have it. The Winter Disco Series, the top of the snowman. So, now I will put this to the side and get to my final LOL. So you guys, I'm on to the next LOL, which is the LOL Fuzzy Vest Makeover Series. But when I opened this, the camera wasn't recording. So I put the first layer back on so you guys can see like how I opened it. So I opened the zipper, and then I found the secret message. The secret message is fur baby. So now it has this thing at the top. I took it off and I saw a few little holes. So it has a thing right here. So I'm gonna open it. Oh my! Look at all of it. And then here's the litter box. So this is probably an accessory, my bottle. Okay, this is my pet, so I will put my pet to the side because I don't want to open that first. So first here it seems like it's the shoes, so let's open them. Oh, it's the outfit! Ooh, this is a nice outfit for this dog. Or cat, or whatever it is. It's this like little beach outfit. Okay, so let's put these inside. Okay, this is an accessory. Ah, the little chain for the bottle. I like when it gives you those. And here's the bottle. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's like a little neon bottle. Neon orange with silver and regular orange. And here is the litter scooper. OMG, it's like so cute. Okay, so here's a checklist. Let me try to guess which one. Wait, no, that's going to be way too hard. So I have the owner's manual, but I won't be needing this right now. So here's the litter. And here's my pet. So I'm going to open my pet. It's so fuzzy. Uh-oh. I think I have to wash this one again. Uh-oh, it's not even singing. Let me see the owner's manual to see if I have to wash it. Let's see. Oh, it says to wash it. It says to put it in water. Okay, this looks very cool. So you guys, on the manual it says to take a Q-tip, dip it into some water, so I have some water here, and rub it onto the pet. But before I do that, I will open the litter box. It has a little zipper like all the rest of the stuff. But of course, it doesn't work for me. I never can get a straight zip. Okay. So it's some purple litter. I see the shoes. I mean, not purple, blue litter. And I see the shoes. It's roller skates. And it comes with plastic in it, so no sand can get stuck in the shoes, and that's really good. Because it can come right off of the shoes, but it can't come from inside of them. So I put the shoes over here and finish taking them out. Okay. So I took out all the shoes. Now I put the sand right back into its litter box. And it's like kinetic sand, like, look. Uh-oh, now I'm just, like, making the mess. Okay, so I put it back into here because I have my shoes now. And put the lid back on. Okay. So, I have this to the side, and everything else to the side, but this pet and the Q-tip, because I don't need it right now. So, first it says, dip the Q-tip into the water. So I have water, I dipped it in. And then it says to rub it on places onto your pet. So, I'm rubbing it. Okay, it's very, I'm rubbing it. Okay, I think I need more water. I put it there and I rub it. But nothing is happening. Look. So maybe I have to do it like the monkey, properly. So I'm just going to dip it in. Whoa, it just turns a whole lot bigger when you put it in there. It looks bigger, but it's not. So I'm just rubbing it now. Uh-oh, I think this is a lot of water. Okay. Oh, let's see, it's coming off. I think it's a light one. A light chicken or something. A dog. Look at all the red fur coming on. I love when it does that, and then it sinks to the bottom. Do you guys see the face coming? Oh my goodness, it's so cool. It's so cool, you guys. So I'm just gonna rub the Q-tip on it now, and it's coming off much better. Look, and all the pretty detailed spots it's coming off. So I'm rubbing it, and it's still coming off. Time to get the back. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna rub it off a little bit more with my fingers. Ah, I see the hair turning colors. Like, I think it's like supposed to be one side like orangey color and one side yellow because it has yellow and orange hair. Okay, I'm gonna dip it into the water, rub it off, and then it should be finished a few more times after I dip it. And then, okay, I'm feeling it now with my fingers. Okay. Uh-oh, I think I know what this one does. I know, all right. Uh-oh, the head came off. I hate when the head comes off. So, here, I got it. Okay. So, now I'm just going to rub it off with the Q-tip. So if it's supposed to color change, I guess the color change is just taking off the fur, I guess, or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to put this here and then move this water and get paper towels and clean off this water. Uh-oh, I need some more. Okay, now let's put this over here and let's get on to dressing this up. So, where is my outfit? So here is, I think, the shirt. Let me see. Yes, this is the shirt, I think. I do not know. I think so. Yes, it is, I think. I think. Okay, let's get these few little paws in. I don't know, but it's hard because okay, I got one foot. Ah! It's really hard to get clothes onto the pet because it's just like a wide like shirt part, and then for the straps it's like stuck a little bit. Okay, so I got the shirt on. It's like so cute. Now I'm gonna get the pants on. Well, at least I still think it's pants. I don't know for sure, but it looks like it. It has to be, because there's nothing else that will be the pants then. Okay, maybe you could put them on wherever you want to, I guess. But I'm just putting this on as a pants, because I really don't know anymore. Oh, goodness. Okay, I got it. So it dresses up like this. Now I'm going to put on its shoes. It's roller skates. I never had like shoe roller skates before. My LOL dog. Oh no. Okay, wait. Okay, I got it on. Okay, that's backwards. Now I got this one on. Now I need to do this one, which is the last one. Okay, now I got them all on. She's so cute. So now I'm going to see her on the checklist. Is there another side? I didn't know there was not. So, oh, I found her. She's from the Rotor Club. She is a boogie kitty. So she either pees or spits. Look. She is right here. So, now, it says she pees or spits. So I will get this water bottle, get some of the hairy water, suck it up. Okay, it's in here. Now I will feed it to her, or him, I don't know. I'm just gonna plug it at her because she has hair. Let's see, does she pee or does she spit? I don't see her. Oh, she's spitting! Oh, she spit on me. Look. Fill her up. Feed it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And spit it, spit it, spit it. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you would like me to review any more toys or LOLs. Bye.
Hey, this is Sharlene from Sharlene's World. Let's go!